Hi, I'm Tracy Morrow and I'm at DecoArt Studios to introduce you to this fabulous new product, DecoArt Suede. This great new paint is ideal for fabulous DIY projects, general craft, and great accessories for your home decor. DecoArt Suede adds the rich and indulgent look of brushed suede to home decor and craft projects. It's so elegant and so pretty with this very light texture. DecoArt has mimicked all of these beautiful, popular shades that instantly make you think of those beautiful, rich suede finishes. So a crosshatch application of this will give you that light texture and that wonderful warmth with these gorgeous rich colors. So pretty, so elegant. This is it. This is DecoArt Suede.